Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a site called SocialDM.co. We're going to be showing you whether you can actually earn money with SocialDM or is it just another scam website. Stay tuned right to the very end because you're going to want to watch and see exactly what I found out when I went and joined the site earlier today. So without further ado, let's jump over to the website itself and go through SocialDM. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come onto the SocialDM website and it's very basic. The front page, and as you can see here, scrolling across the thing, earn $500 daily, make $500 today, and as you can see, it also says here, welcome to the #1 social earning network. Earn $15 to $20 for every friend you invite. Also, as you scroll down here, they're actually saying this is what you have to do. And it says when you welcome, you sign up, you'll be rewarded with a $40 bonus. Okay, and it says if you then share to other people, you will earn $15 for every person that they invite to. Once you've done that, obviously you can then withdraw when you hit the actual limits, and you can draw instantly, have access to your money at any time. And we offer withdrawals through PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Bitcoin, and more. Right, so let's just go and do a little bit more investigation. As you can see here, it says they have over 690,000 active users. It said our members' average monthly pay is $8,000 plus, and it also says they've made over $35 million secure payments. These are huge numbers, guys. They really are. So make sure, like I say, make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. I'm going to go through some really interesting facts that you're going to want to know before you actually sign up for SocialDM. And if you are part of SocialDM, make sure you stay tuned as well. As you can see with these payment proofs, it's saying here the #1 social earning platform. You've got things like SocialDM paid 2nd of Feb, $660.42, $1,004.12, $550. So these are all huge amounts again, guys, that they are withdrawing if they are correct. Look at this one, $3,500, and this was on the 29th of January. Now, mate, bear that in mind. There's obviously a few more here, like 998.74, 1,111.09. Now, there's something a bit weird about these actual things. I'm going to go through very shortly, so stay tuned. Now, if we look at the About Us tab here, this is a tab that would normally tell you a little bit about the company and who's behind it and that sort of thing. And as you can see, doesn't really tell us anything. It just basically says, you know, SocialDM has caused an uproar in the social media. Our affiliates are being paid to share their special link, invite link. It's the #1 social networking. Yeah, it doesn't tell us anything, guys. It really doesn't. So I signed up. I went and signed up, and as you can see here, yes, hey, I got my $40 bonus. Okay, and like it says here, you can actually earn $2 per click. And that's $2 per click. So if I just sent my link out and people clicked on it but never even joined, I'd still get $2. And then if they did join, I'd get $15. Well, that's great. But where is this money coming from, guys? This is what you've got to think of. Look at all these other things here. You've got the offer center here, $100 plus. Let's just click on. Right, here we go. This is the offer center. As you can see here, look, earn $120 just by signing up to a Primark $250 gift card. Guys, this, you know, Amazon Audible, 30 days free trial, you get $120 just for taking out a free trial on Amazon. Now, I know Amazon is one of the richest companies there is online, but it still would not pay you $120 just to take a 30-day free trial, guys. It's not. These figures are just way off the bat. They really are. Yes, you could get earn some money for taking the Audible free trial, but it's not going to be $120. If I've done loads and loads of different video reviews on survey sites and also scams similar to this, guys. Okay, so I do know what I'm talking about when I've seen these products over and over again. And so check out my YouTube channel. I've got a YouTube channel that I've got more sites like this that claim that you can earn $500 every single day and that you'll get $40 for signing up, $15 per referral, and all of them do not pay out. And I think SocialDM is going to go exactly the same way, guys. Unfortunately, that's just the way it is. How do they make their money? Yes, these surveys and things are real. They get you to go and take the survey, they get you to go and do the tasks, and then they will get paid via the people that want the task done. But they're not going to get paid $120. They're going to get paid a minuscule amount. But because there are thousands of people on their site taking the survey, it's going to add up and they're going to earn quite a bit of money out of it. And that is why they then do not pay you out, because they can't. There's no way that they are going to give you $120 for signing up to a free website. It's just not viable, guys. It's not viable. There also, look, it says here, social posts. If we then post out to Facebook, if we do a post to Facebook, you're going to earn $45 per post. Come on. Facebook aren't going to pay them to, no company's going to pay them for you to just post on Facebook. Get real, guys. This is not real. This is a total scam. Do not join it. And I'm going to prove that it is a bit of a scam as well. I went over to the who.ie's website, and as you can see, this website is only registered back in December. Okay, so when they were saying that they were having payment proofs of $3,500 in just a short period, you're talking of about a month. Well, in a month, you're going to earn $3,500. And the thing is also, guys, with all these odd amounts, look, 09, 74, you can't earn odd amounts on this website. It's all 45, 15, 30. Look, there are no odd amounts. So where can you can't actually do a certain sense. So it just goes to prove, guys, that these are fake payment proofs. And I always said, and I've said in previous videos, that if you have to have a site that has a payment proof page and where you get people to actually send in their payment proofs, that just proves to me that that's a red flag straight away. You haven't got Amazon associates that have got one of the biggest affiliate programs on the planet send in your payment proofs, have you? Because they pay out. They don't need to send in a payment proof because people get paid. Okay, now there will come a time, because we're only a month old, people obviously are not actually probably getting paid yet. They're building up their figures, building up their balances before they want to pay out. But guys, it's not going to happen. Stop using it. Come off of it. If you want to go and just take surveys and watch videos and earn money, yes, you can. There's plenty of sites I've done on my YouTube channel. There's a whole playlist full of them. Check out some of them, and I'll put the link to that playlist right above here. But you're not going to get paid $45 and $15. You're going to get paid cents. And you're going to have to, it's not a full-time income, guys. It is a part-time income for some extra cash. That's all these survey sites are. I checked out obviously their terms and conditions, and at the bottom of it actually gives you the company address. And that company address is an address in Amsterdam, and all that is an office address. So in other words, it's a PO box like office address, which you can actually have mail directed to that address, and you don't even actually can rent the office. You just have to rent the address there so that you basically can have it so that your business looks like a legitimate business. But as you can see, I put the address in Google And this is what came up. It's easyoffices.com on this actual address here. And if you want to go and check it out, you need to just go onto their terms and conditions and literally scroll to the bottom, and this address will actually come up as the address that they say they are registered at. So like I say, unfortunately, a SocialDM, I would not advise you to go and join them. I think they are a scam. I don't think you're going to get paid out. At the end of this video, I'll actually link to a video that is probably my #1 site for earning cash online in this method, taking surveys, playing games and that sort of thing. And that gets me, at the moment, it's getting me $50 to $80 every single month by actually using that. So stay tuned and obviously watch that video right at the end of here. If you are interested in actually earning some extra cash, that's the one you actually want to go and join, not SocialDM. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. Obviously, if you did, smash up the like button. Don't forget to watch this video next. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.